It's free, man. It's completely free. I mean, totally and completely free. Hello, agents, and welcome to the 34th episode of the One Bite at a Time show. This is where we go out and find the most relevant information, the most important information that you need right now in this market to grow your business. Today we're going to talk about lease options, all-inclusive trust deeds, and land contracts. Very quick. It's going to be a 5-minute video. There's several names for them. Seller financing, seller carry, lease options, all-inclusive trust deeds, rent-to-own, wraparound, subject tos, and the land contract. You're going to learn all about those in a larger workshop that I have. It's designed specifically for those people who don't know nothing about them. It'll take you from the beginning to the end, understanding the problem, understanding each part of it. And let me tell you, if you can understand the lease option, you will understand the all-inclusive trust deed and the land contract before you're done. You can go to whatever segments you want, you can rewatch it, and it's available for you, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But all right, there's 9 points for you to fully understand. Number 1, it's free. If you're a California agent, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and I'm not expecting anything in return. Wink, wink. Number 2, the whole workshop is going to be available for you. You need to just go to our YouTube channel, and you can search for the one for lease options and watch that whole episode, okay? That will bring you from the beginning to the end, from somebody who doesn't know anything about them to becoming an expert. It'll also talk about deal structuring and help you understand how to make things happen for the buyer and the seller and for you. Number 3, they're legal and they're ethical. You have nothing to worry about. They're legal and ethical for the buyer, the seller. You can solve problems and you can do what you need to do like you never could before. Deal structuring. There'll be some examples of deal structuring as well. Number 4, you're going to get your commissions up front. Never was it intended to be do a lease option for one of your clients and you get paid a little bit in the beginning or nothing in the beginning and you get your commission when they exercise their option. That's baloney. That's not the way they're supposed to work. You can put them on the car forms. There's a seller financing addendum. There's everything you need in the car forms to be able to make these things work. Number 5 is title and escrow. Title won't let you do anything wrong. So if your contract isn't exactly worded right, don't worry. Title will fix it and escrow will put out an escrow amendment as necessary to make sure the wording is correct. Title and escrow is always going to be used. Number 6. This is attorney reviewed. I had John Giardinelli of the Giardinelli Law Group review this. In fact, he puts his endorsement on the beginning of the workshop, which you will get when you sign up for the whole thing. So again, you're gonna watch the lease options segment, and you're gonna get everything you can get from that. If you want more, I'll send you the entire workshop, all the links. You just need to send me an email, and I'll send you more. Number 7, third-party trustees. You'll understand what a third-party trustee is and how they help each transaction if they're needed. They're not always needed, but a third-party trustee will prevent the idea that the buyer is paying the seller and the seller is not paying the underlying loan or not paying their taxes or not paying their insurance and things like that. So you'll understand third-party trustees. Number 8, never worry about a due-on sales clause. Just don't worry about it. It'll be very clearly explained to you in the all-inclusive trust deeds section of this workshop. You have nothing to worry about. Again, title won't insure it if there's any possibility that a due-on sales clause can be enforced. And number 9, it's free. Did I tell you it was free? Yes, it is free. All you have to do is sign up for it. Now, it's not free for everyone. It's free for any California agent. So this is a product that I sell. But it's free for any California agent. And if you need help, deal structuring or anything like that, I'm available. My team's available. We've been around for a while. I've taught this to hundreds of locations at Board of Real Estate offices for thousands of real estate agents over the last 20 years. And you know, it's becoming more and more valuable as rates have started to go up. So understand that. It's something you have to learn. You have to learn it right away. So I'm going to finish this workshop up with a little bit of humor, and then there's going to be a market update right afterwards. and I look forward to seeing you next week for the 35th episode. And this was your 5-minute video. Have a great day.
Well, judging by these financial numbers you gave me, it looks like there's no way you could afford anything even close to that. Ever. But come with me. I think I can show you something a little closer to your price range.
So you're telling me I can't afford hardwood? Well, what about the yard and the 2-car garage? Could I get a little loan from the bank still? Nope. What's 10% of 1.5 mil? Maybe I could crowdsource a little cash from a kickstart. This chart says I can't afford it in the rich part. Tell me I don't have to get a house out where the hicks are. No one ever told me getting property was this hard. Look, if I save for the rest of my life at the rate that I'm earning, I wouldn't come close. In the 80s, my dad bought a house and a car. I'll be 80 when I can get those. My mom's always calling like, why are you still renting? I hate to see all of that money you're spending. I'm good with my money. I practice frugality. Half the down payment is double my salary. I need help, I can't do it alone. I got student loans to pay, my cubicle's home. I'm working 80-hour weeks, man, I live at the office. And to be honest, I thought that I had a lot in my pockets, enough to get me in my dream home. Dream homes always come with hidden fees though. Mortgages that never leave like a disease. So, to get the keys and the deed, you're gonna need dough.
Here we are. This is what we in the industry refer to as a fixer. And the best part is, this place is right in your price range.